accusing him of endangering every American's health. Tonight, 9 former heads of the CDC slamming Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. in a blistering New York Times op-ed. In it, blasting Kennedy's firing of CDC Director Dr. Susan Monarez last week that sparked outrage within the agency. 4 top leaders resigning in protest. Last week, staffers cheered outside CDC headquarters in support. The former CDC heads writing Monarez refused to, quote, rubber stamp his dangerous and unfounded vaccine recommendations aimed at restricting access or heed his demand to fire senior CDC staff. The former CDC leaders also accusing the secretary of downplaying measles vaccines and replacing experts on advisory committees with, quote, unqualified individuals who share his dangerous and unscientific views. Both HHS and the CDC tonight not returning NBC's requests for comment on the op-ed.
We need strong leadership that will go in there and that will be able to execute on President Trump's broad ambitions.
President Trump today challenging pharmaceutical companies to justify the success of their various COVID drugs after launching Operation Warp Speed in his first term, fast-tracking vaccine production. This as COVID cases rise in 31 states and access to that vaccine tightens. CVS requiring a prescription in 13 states plus D.C., adding it's unable to administer COVID vaccines in 3 states. Walgreens only saying it's prepared to offer the vaccine in states where we are able to do so.
Even insurance companies have not been able to navigate people in the right direction because of the lack of guidance from the CDC.
Confusion mounting as virus season approaches. Maggie, Vespa, NBC News.
We thank you for watching, and remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.